Welcome on the installation of the Ubuntu server. I just turned the computer on. We are trying to install. You can see easily. We put enter, try to install Ubuntu server. Very simple. We have full monitor, nicely working, everything is there. And especially for the VAST.ai, we will make some kind of special installation. I will show you how we will proceed each step. So enter, we put English, then we go down, again enter, you see the layout, we go enter, here we have the Ubuntu server option. There is nothing special, we put enter, done. Here you can see the IP address, blah blah blah. I think it is just fine. We go done. If you have proxy, fill the proxy, enter, done. Now we are searching for the archives. Everything is okay. We go done. And here comes the special setup. We will not use the entire disk. We will go for this option, custom storage layout. So go with the arrows, then space, and then go done. We are on the done, yes, enter. You see here, it's my device. And we will use like we have the new one. So we will go to reformat, yes, reformat, yes, enter, enter, and we are so nicely clean. Next step is stay on the drive on the device, make enter. Oh, here come the table, and we go use as a boot device. That's it. So it was actually creating the boot FE partition, which is good. We go again on the device and on the free space. We enter, and then we add GPT partition. For the VAST.ai is recommended 80 plus, so we can make 88, and then we enter the number G, so like 88 gigabytes. Here we go external 4, this one is okay, and create. Very simple. Now we have second partition, you can see them, very good. And now we go for the last one. So we go for free space. Yes, we go for free space on the device. We put enter. We add new partition. Enter. Now it is the size how big you want to make the partition for the Docker. And I would recommend it depends on your hard drive. I have 2 terabyte hard drive, so I will go for 1 terabyte here. So I make 1024 G. It means 1 terabyte. Here the X we need to change it. XFS. Enter, press enter and make the other. We can mount it directly, and it was actually the var lib docker. So we make the var lib docker. Very simple, very simple. You can see it now. Amazing, it's there. We have the size, check it, double check it, XFS. That's what we want exactly. Do not make the slash behind the Docker, it makes troubles. So we make create. And then we have all three partitions here. Everything is done. So we go slowly down to the done. Done, yes, and enter. Are you sure you want to continue? Definitely we want to continue. It will flash like red and enter. Now is the page where you want to fill your name, your server name, pick username and your favorite password. So please fill it in what you want. Okay, so I have filled my items, what I want inside, and you always check with the enter, even the password when it is okay. Here you will have the green done, then enter. Another table is Ubuntu Pro. I don't think we need to. We go down, continue, that's it. Install Open SSH server, definitely use install Open SSH. We go down again and yes, and we go down. Here if you would like to install something, just pick something you want. If not, just go down and we are done. Make done and that's it. Now starts the installation, so we will install it. If you would like to see what is actually going on, go to the view. You can press enter, it will a little bit change. You can see what is going on, but if you are not interested in what is going on, then just close it and that's it. Okay, so installation is complete. You will see just on the top when it is complete. Just go again down if you want to see the log, or if you would like to reboot now, press enter and that's it. It will show you need to remove the stick, so please remove the stick. I have removed the stick and I press enter and we are done. And for the next setup, I will show you on the computer over the SSH.